Hi everyone and welcome to Recipe Lounge. How are you all? I do hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. And today's recipe that I'm going to be sharing with you is chicken korma, which is a very basic recipe that I'm sharing. Um, in the next few weeks I'll be sharing some more korma recipes and more different types of kormas. Today we're making chicken korma. So let's see what we need. Here I have a teaspoon of black peppercorns, cumin seeds, a teaspoon, 2 black cardamoms, 2 green ones, and 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick. Here I have 1 cup of, this is half and this is half, 1 cup of fried onions. Here I have 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric. So here I have 12 cloves of garlic, 1-inch piece of ginger. We're going to make a paste out of this, and half a cup of yogurt and some flavor water. We'll also be using a pinch of saffron. So here I have ghee, which is pure butter ghee. That I'll be using about half a cup. So here I have 1 kilo of chicken. So 1 whole chicken cut into pieces. So let's see what we need to do first. So first we're going to add the butter in this pan and fry the chicken. So like I said, we need about half a cup. This dish does demand a lot of butter, which you can take out later once you cooked. So I'll add the chicken and we're going to fry this until it changes colour. When the chicken is cooking away, we're going to go ahead and crush make a garam masala. So here I'm going to add all the garam masala, and then we're going to grind this. Like so. So the garam masala is done. Now we're going to go ahead and do the garlic and ginger. I've added the garlic and ginger. I'm going to make a paste. So here I've added a tablespoon of water. So let's make a fresh paste. So here we've done the garlic and ginger paste, we've made the garam masala, and now we're just going to fry this until it's slightly golden brown. So this will take about 10 minutes. So the chicken is almost done, so we're going to go ahead and add the onions. I'm going to fry a bit more. We'll also add the ginger and garlic paste. Keep the heat low, and if you need to, you can just add like a tablespoon of water, so the chicken and the masala don't stick. I'm gonna go ahead and add the spices and cook a bit more. So mix this. Cook this for about 2 minutes and then we'll add the yogurt. It's been about 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the yogurt. And now mix this and cook for another 5 minutes. Keep the heat low. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and then just mix and cook. Now we'll add the garam masala. It's been 5 minutes. We'll add the garam masala. I'm also going to go ahead and add the saffron, and then just keep cooking. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to make gravy and let this cook. Depends on, you can add 2 cups or half a cup or more, depending on how much gravy you want to keep. So half a teaspoon of kevra water we're going to be adding. So half a teaspoon, and this gives a nice fragrance. And now I'm going to let it cook for about 2 minutes on high heat, and it's almost done. I will serve and show you, dish it out. So now this is ready. I'm going to just dish it out. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'm just going to garnish with some coriander leaves. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye everyone.